Legal disclaimer: do not make this trade. Seriously, don't. This video is for educational purposes only and placed by a professional trader from Maverick Trading. Maverick Trading is sponsoring this trading experiment with a $100,000 trading account. To trade for Maverick Trading, you can submit an application for stock, option trader or currency trader from the link in the video description below.
Hello there, Flat Earth traders. This is Rob and we are on to Trade 21. If this is your first time here, what are we doing? We're saying the biggest conspiracy theory in trading is that how much the entry matters. We're not saying it doesn't matter. What we're saying is the exit is way more important. And we are doing this experiment to prove it by picking random stocks and options and currencies. We're not doing options, but currencies. And all we're doing is applying strict position management rules. So what is trade number 21 going to be about? Last Friday, we did stuff in the news. If you remember, we did Travis Kelce, Taylor Swift. And I thought, hey, you know what? Let's make Friday what's in the news. And so what was in the news this week? Well, we had some companies report about how much cyber attacks have hurt their business. So if you didn't hear about it, MGM Resorts, they got hacked about a month ago to where the hackers shut down their entire computer system where they literally couldn't run their business for a couple of days. They say that's going to cost them $100 million. Clorox also announced this week that they will not even make a profit this quarter. They're going to have a deep loss because of its cyber attack. So since cyber attack is in the news, let's take that for a theme and let's go take a look at cybersecurity companies. And we're going to pick one of those, and that's the trade we're going to make. Here we are at a search engine, so we're going to put in largest public cybersecurity companies. All right, let's go ahead and hit this one. Largest IT companies by market cap. And let's just keep this easy. Let's just choose the top one. Let's just do that one. Palo Alto Networks. Let's choose the biggest one. PANW is the symbol. Let's take a look at it on the chart. PANW, this is a daily chart. So the question is, are we going to be long or short? And you can see, boy, this moving average has been flat over the last almost week and a half, but we are definitely turning up here on this moving average. So we are going to be long this one. And now people are going to be saying, Rob, are you crazy? This stock's up $11 for the day. Why would you buy a stock that's up $11 for the day? Remember, we're saying the entry doesn't matter. We are entering at sometimes the worst moments that you could possibly enter. That is part of the experiment. We're going to enter this one. So what we need to do is we need to run our ticket sheet and see where our stops are going to be. The stock is currently at 247.65. So 247.65. And our ATR is at $6.37. So 637 is the ATR. It is October 6, 2023. The symbol is PANW, Palo Alto Networks. We're going to be long. The entry price, $247.65. The ATR was 637. So our first stop is going to be 2x ATR. So 2 times 637 is $12.74. That means our first stop is going to be at 234.91. We now need to figure out what our position size is going to be based off these numbers. The first thing we need to do is get our account balance. Let's go see what our account balance currently is. And thanks to a big win in a Walmart trade, which I have not made a video on yet, I'll be making it later. Our account balance is $101,035. Let's put that in. $101,035. Our risk is 1%. Our entry is 247.65. Our initial stop was going to be 234.91. Fee is 0, so let's leave that as 0. Let's see, calculate. It is 79 shares. 79 shares is our position size. Let's go make the trade. Let's put in the stock. PANW is the symbol. We are going to be long. We are going to be long 79 shares. So 79 shares. And I'm just going to put that right below the current bid. So I'm just going to go throw it down here at 248. I'm going to attach the stop right to it. Stop loss. It's going to be a trail. And our trail amount was going to be $12.74. $12.74. We're going to hit submit. All right, so what has happened is we put our order in at 248. The stock moved a little higher, so the bid is 248.07 here by 248.14. Okay, we could sit here and wait, or we could adjust our order up. I'm going to adjust our order up because, remember, we don't care about the entry price. All we care about is entering. So I'm going to move up our order. Just go ahead and move it to the midpoint, hit update, and there we are. We have a fill, $248.09. That order is in. Let's wrap this up. Our entry was 248.09. So that means that our first 2x target, if we get up to 260.83, we will move our stop to a 1.5x ATR. If we get to 273.57, we're going to move it to a 1x ATR. Again, these are our rules. That all we're going to do is follow our rules. That's it. And what do we do after that? We do nothing. We watch. You can sit there and watch if you want. I'll be watching. I'm going to put in alerts. I won't be watching it tick by tick, but I'll know when the alert gets hit, and then I'll go in and make a new video about it. After that, we do nothing. Thanks for watching.